So today I feel like making something Christmassy. So we're gonna go to D, get some supplies. I have this weird compulsion to say D like that. I can't say it any other way. I don't know. We're about to get Christmas assaulted. Cones. Okay, I think I'm getting an idea. Back home now. Let's see what supplies we got. Okay, I did cheat a little bit. I've had this moon shape from Kmart for ages and never known what to do with it. So we got twine rope, a Christmas doodad, some cones, another Christmas doodad, and some lovely florals. Okay, let's get into it. I'm wrapping the moon shape in rope and hot gluing it to the frame as I go to make sure it stays in place. Okay, so you might notice I only got one rope. One rope pack is 3 meters, so yeah. Okay, back to it. I'm going to continue wrapping until the entire thing is covered, and I bought another 3 packs, so 9 meters here and 3 meters from before. Look at me math, that's 12 meters of rope that's going into this wreath. Yeah, we're just not going to talk about that little bit and just cover it up. Yay, it's the fun bit. So I'm literally just hot gluing on the decorations now. I'm also attaching a little hook so it can hang easily. And there we go! Gotta do the cheesy. Look what I made! It's so cool! I love it! So cool. Was a bloody quick craft. Gotta find something else to do now. Thank you for joining me once again. Catch you in the next one.